Welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We're so glad to have you here. In today's episode, we'll take you through an exciting story called A Trip to the Market. This story is perfect for beginners, especially those at the A1 level of English. It will help you learn useful vocabulary, practice listening, and understand simple sentences about daily life. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hi, my name is Jack. I am 10 years old, and I live in a small village with my family. Every Saturday morning, I go to the market with my dad. The market is big and colorful, and it is always full of people. I like going to the market because it is fun and interesting. We leave our house at 8 o'clock in the morning. The market is not very far, so we walk there. On the way, I see many people carrying bags, talking, and laughing. When we arrive, the market is very busy. There are many stalls selling fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, and other things. The first place we go to is the fruit stall. My dad asks me to help him choose some fruits. I pick 5 red apples and 6 yellow bananas. My dad buys some sweet mangoes too because they are my favorite. The seller smiles and says, "Good choice. These mangoes are very fresh." I feel happy to help my dad. Next, we visit the vegetable stall. My dad buys 4 big tomatoes, 3 cucumbers, and some green lettuce. The vegetables look clean and fresh. I see a little boy next to me helping his mother, just like I am helping my dad. After the vegetables, we go to the fish stall. There are many types of fish. My dad buys 1 big fish for lunch. The fish is silver and shiny. I watch the seller clean the fish quickly. After shopping for food, we walk to the bread stall. The bread smells so good. My dad buys 1 big loaf of bread. I ask, "Dad, can I have a small cake, please?" My dad laughs and says, "Of course, Jack." He buys me a small chocolate cake. I eat a little bit, and it tastes so sweet and soft. Then, we see a flower stall. My dad loves flowers, so he buys a bunch of yellow sunflowers for my mom. The flowers are bright and beautiful. I know my mom will be very happy. Before going home, we stop at a small drink stall. My dad buys 2 glasses of fresh orange juice. We sit on a bench and drink together. The juice is cold and tasty. Many people walk past us, carrying bags full of food and talking loudly. After resting, we walk home. My dad carries the heavy bags, and I carry the bread and flowers. "You are a big helper today, Jack," my dad says. I smile because I feel proud. When we get home, my mom is waiting for us. She smiles when she sees the flowers and says, "Thank you." My dad and I put the fruits, vegetables, and fish on the table. My mom cooks lunch, and we eat together as a family. I like going to the market with my dad. I learn about food, people, and hard work. I also feel happy to spend time with him. Next week, I will go to the market again and help my dad with shopping. That is all for the story A Trip to the Market today. Now I will ask you 3 questions to see if you understand the story. 1. Who does Jack go to the market with? 2. What does Jack's dad buy at the bread stall? 3. What drink do Jack and his dad have at the market? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for a free PDF of today's story. Make sure to download it to enhance your learning. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode with another exciting topic to help you learn and grow.